Identifying a rough diamond at home can be exciting, especially for gemstone collectors, miners, or anyone who finds unusual stones and wonders if they might be real diamonds. While professional gemological tests are the most accurate, there are several easy and practical methods you can use at home to help determine whether a rough stone is a real diamond or just a look-alike. This guide explains simple, safe, and affordable tests that can give you strong clues before taking your stone to an expert. What is a rough diamond? A rough diamond is a diamond in its natural, uncut and unpolished form. Unlike polished diamonds, rough diamonds often look dull, cloudy, or even greasy on the surface. They usually have irregular shapes, sharp edges, and a crystal structure formed naturally deep inside the earth. Common rough diamond shapes include octahedral crystals, cubic forms, irregular broken pieces. Important warning before testing. Home tests are preliminary methods only. They cannot guarantee 100% accuracy, but they help you eliminate fake stones like quartz or cubic zirconia. Never rely on a single test. Always combine several methods. Cut 1. Visual inspection, the first step. Carefully observe the stone under good light. Look for these signs: sharp edges, diamonds are very hard, natural crystal shapes, greasy or oily surface, no air bubbles inside. Fake stones like glass often show rounded edges, bubbles, perfect smooth surfaces. Use a magnifying glass or jeweler's loupe, 10x if available. 2. The scratch test, hardness test. Diamonds are the hardest natural material on Earth. How to do it? Try scratching a piece of glass with the stone. A real diamond will scratch glass easily. If the stone fails, it is not a diamond. Caution, this test may damage the stone and should be used carefully. 3. Sandpaper test. Very popular method. What you need: high grit sandpaper, around 200 to 400 grit. Steps: rub the rough stone gently against the sandpaper. Results: real diamond, no scratches at all. Fake stone gets scratched or damaged. Diamonds cannot be scratched by sandpaper. Number 4. Water density test. This is a simple and safe test. Steps: fill a glass with water, drop the stone inside. Results: real diamond sinks immediately. Fake stones may float or sink slowly. This test helps rule out lightweight materials like glass or plastic. Number 5. Heat resistance test. Diamonds are extremely heat resistant. Steps: 1. Heat the stone with a lighter for 30 to 40 seconds. 2. Drop it immediately into cold water. Results: real diamond, no damage. Fake stone cracks or breaks. Warning, do not perform this test on stones you want to preserve. 6. Transparency and light test. Hold the stone over printed text or a line. Results: real rough diamond, you cannot see the text clearly. Fake stone, text may be visible. Diamonds strongly refract light, even in rough form. 7. UV light test, if available. Use a UV lamp in a dark room. Results: most real diamonds emit a blue glow. Some diamonds show no reaction, this is normal. Fake stones may glow green, yellow, or not at all. 8. Weight test. Diamond density. Diamonds are heavier than they look. If you have multiple stones of similar size, the heaviest one is more likely to be a diamond. This method works best when comparing stones. 9. Shape and crystal structure test. Natural rough diamonds usually have sharp, angular geometry, show natural growth lines, are not perfectly smooth or round. Perfect shapes often indicate man-made stones. Common stones, mistaken for diamonds. Many stones look like rough diamonds but are not. Quartz, topaz, zircon, cubic zirconia, glass. That's why multiple tests are essential. When should you visit a professional? If your stone passes most home tests, shows diamond-like crystal structure, has good weight and hardness, then it's time to visit a gemologist or diamond testing lab for confirmation. Professional tools include thermal conductivity testers, refractive index measurement, microscopic analysis. Final conclusion. Identifying a rough diamond at home is possible using easy and affordable methods, but it requires patience and careful observation. By combining visual inspection, hardness tests, water tests, and light behavior, you can confidently eliminate fake stones and recognize a potential real diamond.